All right, what's up, YouTube? Well, my next video is going to be basically about this Kia that I bought my wife. And she used to drive, well, she still does, but she used to mainly drive that Acadia over there. And that has like the Bose stereo system in it. And actually, that stereo sounds really good. And this stereo sounds pretty good. It's just kind of lacking in the bass. So, what I'm going to do is I'm going to do an unboxing. I bought a self powered subwoofer and it came with a little amplifier kit. So I'm gonna do an unboxing of that, and then probably get going on getting it installed and figuring it out. But let's get to the unboxing. What's up, YouTube? Well, let's get to this unboxing. Here's the subwoofer. As you can see, it's a Rockville 12-inch. Now, when I initially got this thing, it was supposed to come with the amp because they had one that didn't have the amp kit and one that had the amp kit. Not the amp, but the wiring kit. And so when I got the box, I thought, I don't know if that's in there. But then, luckily I wasn't trying to install this real quick because like maybe 5 days, a week later, the amp kit came in a whole separate package. So let's see what this is about. Well, looks like it might be double boxed. Maybe. Find out. Well, it wasn't double boxed, but I guess you need to be careful when you take this out. Alright, well, ooh, it's pretty heavy. It feels pretty heavy. So let's go ahead and okay, so it also comes with a little bit of paperwork, a sticker, and just some this and that. Alright, so we have little instructions. Not really sure. I'm gonna turn my other phone on here so I can get some close-ups. Man, it is hot. So it comes with some instructions, a sticker, looks like a warranty card, but we're not really concerned about all that. And then in here, let's see. Oh, that's right, it did come with a bass knob. Let's pull that out. I guess I didn't need to rip the whole plastic up. So it's a tiny little bass knob. That potentiometer just does not feel the best. But there it is. I'll get some close-ups of all this stuff. And it comes with a cord for, looks like for the bass knob. And then this is like a high-low input. And then a fuse, looks like 10 amp, some little screws, and that is it. Let's throw that to the side. All right, so let's take a look at this here. This is the back. Looks like it opens on this side here. Let's go ahead and flip it up over here. It's got the stinky smell. You know how stuff smells when it comes from overseas. Or maybe it's just glue or something. But you can see the back, side, and then you have the other side where the amp and stuff is, and then the front. It's got a grill on it with the 12-inch subwoofer, and this is like embroidered in, which is kind of fancy. It's actually pretty nice looking, I will say. A lot nicer than I was expecting. All right, so we don't want to make this. Actually, let me go over this here. Let me see if I can. So we have the high-low input, remote, bass knob, control input. We got the low input for RCAs. Sorry for the sweat. We got the gain, LP, what is it? LPF, low pass filter, and then 12 volts, remote, ground, and a fuse. And that's it. And then, so let's get to unboxing the amplifier kit. Now this literally cost like $15 more or something to get this with it. And it's a Rockville. And then you get some wire loom. You get a fuse holder to go near the battery. And looks like they have this stuff bundled in there. So you get, let's see, let's unbundle everything here. Alright, so it looks like you get some, it's all separated here. Some RCAs. So if you're going to do low level, man, I just did this all wrong, didn't I? So you're going to get some RCAs, and then you're going to get, I think those are supposed to be 18 feet. And here's the power wire. It did not say if it was copper clad or anything like that, but this is supposed to be about 18 feet. And it just says Super Flex Twisted Premium Power Cable, 8 gauge. So whatever that means. But I'm gonna use it. Like I said, it's just for this little silly subwoofer. Then you get, looks like this is a remote turn on for a 12 volt source, I'm sure, to turn on the amplifier in the box. And I'm pretty sure all of this stuff is, man, I just did a terrible job of, well, you know what it is? It's this tape right here. All right, so then this is 18 feet of remote turn on wire. And then you have ground. This is much shorter, as you can see. They usually don't expect the ground to be as far away, but that's pretty short. What is that, 3 feet? Oops. And then some speaker wire. So I'm guessing probably 18 feet. See what it says in the box. Oh, I'm sorry, 17 feet. So 17, so everything's 17 feet except for the ground. And that's it. But anyways, I don't know, it was under $200. I can't remember exactly how much it cost. It was under $200. So hopefully it's gonna give my wife the bass that she's looking for, because she says the Kia is not enough. So anyways, man, it is so hot in here. I gotta turn this fan on. I'm kind of curious to see what it's gonna sound like with this fan on, and my microphone setup, my new microphone setup that I got. So I guess it's gonna be a way to test it. But anyways, so I got everything unboxed. I'm gonna pull the Kia in, and then we're gonna get started on running the power wire. Oh man, that fan makes such a difference. Running the power wire, and then well, basically doing the full install. And hopefully I'll be able to get some good footage of following along and getting everything done for you. All right, YouTube, coming up.